Hey guys, welcome back to Delf Stack, and today I'm gonna show you how to stop spam messages on Messenger. So guys, if you ever wondered how to do this, first just simply go to the Messenger application, and if you have a person that is spamming you, you can just simply go ahead and block them. So hold and tap the person that you want to block, and you will have an option over here, block. And from here, if you block this person, you will become unfriend with them on Facebook, and they will not be contacting you anymore. And you can just simply select block Jan Savvy. And now, another option is you could adjust your privacy settings by going to the menu tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, go to the settings tab. Now, over here, just simply scroll down until you see here privacy and safety. And now here you will have an option message delivery down below. So go ahead and tap on that. And from here, guys, you can just simply tap on friends of friends on Facebook. And now you can just simply select don't receive request, or you could go ahead as well, go for others on Messenger and select don't receive request. And pretty much this is all you can do to stop the spam messages on your Messenger. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.